Hello guys! So every week, Monday, we will post our Instagram quiz, and this quiz is about Aussie slang. So if you haven't done it before, just go to our Instagram and just play with it and see how do you feel about it, and later on come back to see how we are actually use that in everyday life. So today's 5 word, the first word is?
The first word is chockablock. So I use this word mainly when I'm talking about like a car park or something, but the phrase actually means full. So I would say something like the car park was chockablock. And that means I couldn't really find a car park. It was really full.
Well, can you actually say like for the first week of the semester, because the classroom is so full, and you can say, man, the classroom is chock-a-block.
Yeah. I couldn't save you a seat next to me because it was chock-a-block. Yeah.
That's how you use it. Alright, so the second word I wanted to talk about is when you hear someone say like this, oh man, he's a dog.
His dag?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Well, it means, just don't say that out loud, but that means he's a nerd and he's a little bit, geek.
Geeky?
And yeah, and it was like, you want to say something behind people, you don't want to say it out loud in front of that person. Say, hey man, you are a dog, unless you are really close to him. Otherwise, don't do it.
So mostly IT people, they would be dads?
I won't say that particularly.
Okay.
But you can tell.
Sorry, IT people.
Shh. Alright, next.
Cool. All right. The third word is the word dead set. So if you hear an Australian say dead set, they're saying true. It's really common. They might ask you as a question, they might say, oh, dead set. And they're saying, oh, are you being serious? Is that true? Or you can say it as a more of a statement. So like, Frank fell asleep, dead set. He was knocked out cold.
Oh, okay. It's like 100% true.
Yep.
Not joking.
Dead set. No joke.
No joke. Okay. Oh well. The next word is actually heard quite a lot. So in Australia, you wanna buy some like yummy candies or things like that. We call lollies. So it's like lolly shop is the sign you see a lot. So if you like craving for some candies before your exam, according to research, it boosts your memories. You just go to a lolly shop.
I just like lollies. I don't need any exams.
Well, another thing is like if you want to describe a person love lollies all the time, he has a sweet tooth.
Ah, that's a good one. That's an extra one.
It's not a slang. I think that's how you literally describe it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, sweet tooth. Oh, good one.
Yeah.
And the last word for today is the word rallies. So in Australia, it's short. It's a shortened term of relatives. So at Christmas time, you might get together with your family. You could say to people, oh, I'm getting together with the rallies. We're all going to have Christmas lunch together. Something like that. So rallies means relatives. All right, guys. I think that's it for this week.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up with you next week for 5 more Aussie slang words, and see you soon.